Good afternoon, everyone. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we want to carry out qualitative analysis on the possible expectations on these FCT ERC mock exams, and we just want to carry out the analysis and see what we can obtain and what is possibly going to come out in the exam. All right, with me here is sodium sulfate. This is sodium sulfate and hydrous salt, and with me here is the copper carbonate. This copper carbonate, the mixture of these two salts, all right, ratio 1:1. Okay, ratio 1:1. I mixed them together and was able to filter it. And when this is the filtrate, you can see the color somehow yellowish, golden yellow, but pale yellow. I can use the word pale yellow, so you can say the filtrate is what? Pale yellow. The filtrate is pale yellow. What of the residue? This is the residue. All right, follow me as I carefully open the residue. This is the residue. Residue is greenish blue. Greenish blue. Can you see? Greenish blue coloration. All right, so from these two analyses, we know, from these two salts, we know that we could be asked to test for sodium ion, could be asked to test for copper ion. We could also be asked to test for CO3 ion or possibly the CO2 gas. And maybe let me just do few now for you to see what we are going to do. All right, so let me test for the, let's see, let me test for the CO2. Okay, and to test for CO2, I may have from the filtrate. Let me take small portion of it. Small portion of the filtrate. All right, small portion of the filtrate, just small portion, and I will add barium chloride. I'm expecting to see a white precipitate, and that will confirm the presence of what's it called? SO4. I'm testing for SO4 using barium chloride. SO4, 2 ions. So barium chloride in drops, then in excess. In drops, then in excess. Wow, can you see? This is a white. You can see this is a white precipitate. Okay, it forms. That shows the presence of SO4 2 ion. SO4 2 ion. So when you are entering your recording your analysis, the first thing you will record is the appearance of the sample given to you. Appearance of the sample, you are going to see greenish blue solid, and for your inference, that indicates presence of copper ion, or you can say copper carbonate. It may be specific, but of course, you know, as a student, you don't know what you are given. All right, okay, now mixing it in water and filtrate, you put water plus solution. You can give, under your observation, greenish blue residue and pale yellow filtrate, and under your inference, presence of copper and presence of sodium ion. All right, then if you have a test of the filtrate plus barium chloride and you obtain this white precipitate, that confirms the presence of SO4 2 minus. All right, okay, now let's do another one, the one that could evolve gas. that could evolve the gas. Alright, I want to test for CO2 gas, so I get little portion of the what? The filtrate, little portion of the filtrate, small portion of the filtrate. I want to see gas. So what I will do, I will add dilute HCl. Alright, so you can see, okay, the yellowish color disappears. Alright, now this is the lime water. I want to see if it will turn this lime water milky. Alright, so I'll pour the lime water into it. Let's see what it will form. Okay, this one is not giving the desired result, so let's pick from the residue. Of course, you don't know how the question will come. Alright, so you pick from the residue and do the same analysis. Pick from the residue, do the same analysis. Alright, this is the residue. Okay, so add dilute HCl. Okay, let me add the lime water. Wow, there's a milky coloration. Can you see? Milky coloration, and if you look very well, you can see like effervescence. Gas is coming out. Effervescence. I don't know if you can see that. There's effervescence. That tests for the presence of CO2 gas. CO2 gas evolved. You put that as your inference. CO2 gas evolved. Alright? So now we have tested for Na2SO4 2-, we have tested for CO2 gas. Okay, let's test for the sodium ion. For the sodium ion, I need to heat up, that's a flame test. To create a flame test for the sodium ion, and I need to add the solution, the sample, and heat it up, and I'm expecting to see a yellow flame. Alright, with me here I don't have I have a gas there, the cylinder is there, but my matchstick is not here, so maybe we'll do that in the next video. Alright, okay, now let me see how to confirm the presence of CO2. Let's see if we can carry that one out. It's possible. So to do that, I will get little portion of the filtrate, and add ammonia solution. Alright, solution remains colorless. Can you see it? Alright, this confirms absence of C2 ion, copper ion in the filtrate. This confirms what? Absence of C2 ion in the filtrate. That means we have mostly the CO3, SO4 2 ion, and sodium ion in the filtrate. Alright, this is just the introduction to what we are possibly expecting, and trust me, we'll still go for more for research, and of course, as soon as I get things more than this or better than this, it will surely come up in the next video. Thank you. Stay tuned. You can Of course, as I do say, tell your friends, let them subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. We are here to make chemistry simple. Thank you. See you.